mean or average value of alternating current or voltage. Now, there are two different topics under this topic. That is, firstly we'll take out for one complete cycle, and the secondly we'll take out for half cycle. And according to the new syllabus, in this chapter, the main parts are the peak value, which I told you right now, the mean value, the RMS value. Okay. Then we'll be having your circuit diagram. When they are coming, then I'll explain you what we have to do in that. But here, these 3-4 topics are very important in your alternating current chapter. So here for the first topic here is mean or average value of the alternating current. And firstly, we are taking for one complete cycle. For one cycle, that is one complete cycle. Complete cycle means यहाँ से गया और यहाँ से गया. This complete cycle we will take it out. So what you see is, during one complete cycle, alternating current flows in one direction, and for half of the cycle, and in the opposite direction during the remaining half. आधे में ऊपर जा रही है और आधे में वो नीचे show हो रही है. That is, for the first half it is having one direction, and for the second half it is having exactly the same direction in the other axis, you can say. I will not say axis, in the other direction. Thus, for a complete cycle, the average value of the alternating current is 0. I hope you get it. Half it is going in this direction and half it is going in this direction. That means for a complete cycle, the average value will be 0. Yes or no? क्यों? भाई अगर मान लीजिए आप इसको 2 कहते हैं तो ये हो गया -2. Right? So average is what? 2 plus -2 upon again 2, that is we are having 0. Average तो आप ऐसे ही निकालते हैं, right? So the average current here is 0. But to prove it mathematically, ये तो बात हुई एक concept की. To prove it mathematically, we are going to do the derivation. Firstly, you know that I is equal to I omega sin, I is equal to I naught sin omega t. ठीक है. Here, average value for one complete cycle. Average value for one complete cycle, that is t is equal to 0 से लेके t is equal to capital T, will be given by the mean value Im is equal to, from 0 to t, integrate करेंगे. Addition means integrating. From 0 to t, I dt upon from 0 to t dt, the time. Total current upon total time will give you the mean value. Right? So this can be written as 0t. Now I is equal to I0, I naught sin omega t upon, इसका आप क्या निकलेगा? From 0 to t dt करेंगे तो t निकलेगा. Okay, this will be the thing. Here I naught is a constant value, right? So we write I naught 0 to t sin omega t upon, ये क्या हो जाएगा? अपर लिमिट हो जाएगी कैपिटल T minus lower limit 0. So we will just write t here. I hope it is clear till here. Then when we are integrating I0 upon t, हमने यहाँ रख दिया, integrating sin omega t. Now sin omega t integrated form, the value will be minus cos omega t upon cos, minus cos omega t upon omega 0 to t. This will be the integration of sin omega t. Please check with your integration and integration table, or I'm expecting you to know this. So then finally what are we having here is, if we take I0 upon t, ठीक है, यहाँ पे upper limit minus cos omega capital T, upper limit minus lower limit minus cos omega 0. ऐसे लिख के आएगा. Or you can say I naught upon t gives you minus cos. Now omega can be written as, you had seen that t is equal to 2 pi upon omega. This is how we had written. So omega can be written as 2 pi upon t. So omega को हमने लिख दिया 2 pi upon capital T into t minus, this will be plus cos 0. Minus plus cos 0. So this is giving you, t gets cancelled out, and I0 upon t cos 0 minus cos 2 pi. ठीक है. Now cos 0 is 1 and cos 2 pi. 2 pi means 360. When you find out the value, this is also 1. So I0 upon t, 1 minus 1 finally gives you 0. So we have proved it mathematically also that for a complete cycle, the mean value of the alternating current is 0. Thus, for a complete cycle, the average or mean value of alternating current is 0. Similarly, the average value of alternating voltage also for the complete cycle will be 0.